1998 ball clubs. Went on to play 5 professional seasons. An all-rookie selection in 1999, he averaged 15.4 points and 2.6 points per game as a pro. Ladies and gentlemen, McKale Dickerson! A two-time All-American in 2009. He's averaged 5.5 points and 4 rebounds per game in 2 professional seasons. Ladies and gentlemen, Jeryd Bayless. The number 11 all-time scorer in Arizona history has averaged 9.4 points and 3.3 rebounds per game in 2 professional seasons. Ladies and gentlemen, Budinger. Second-team All-American in 2008, who has averaged 7.6 points and 2.6 assists per game in 3 professional seasons. Ladies and gentlemen, Jeryd Bayless. This Wildcats standout earned 8 All-America honors a season ago, and no player scored more points in an Arizona uniform in his first 2 seasons than him. Ladies and gentlemen, Derrick Williams! Second-team all-defensive team selection. This former Cat has averaged 15.6 points and 5.8 rebounds per game in 7 professional seasons. Ladies and gentlemen, Iguodala.
The All-Star game several times. Everyone's getting pissed about it. So I mean,
Olson McKale Center favorite. This former Cat has averaged 16.4 points and 5 rebounds per game in a 10-year professional career. An all-rookie selection. He's also made 2 finals appearances in his career. Ladies and gentlemen, Jefferson.
The wheelchair game.
Second-team All-American in 2005, who went on to average 9.5 points and 5.1 rebounds per game in 6 professional seasons. A 2006 all-rookie selection. Ladies and gentlemen, Frye. He's averaged 16.2 points and 4.7 assists per game in 12 professional seasons and was an all-rookie pick in 2009 Sixth Man of the Year. Ladies and gentlemen, Jason the Jet Bayless. A Hall of Fame coach who guided Arizona to 589 wins, 23